Hello friends. Welcome to Current Affairs Review. Topic for today's video is India's feat of achieving the 1 billion vaccination in the face of others faltering, Russia. The World Health Organization, WHO, has addressed all countries to ensure that by June 2022 at least 70% of their population must be fully vaccinated. India administered 100 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses within 278 days since 6 January 2021. The central and the state governments have worked intensely and took necessary steps to curb the challenges caused by the pandemic. National Institute of Virology was the only testing lab in 2020. Presently there are 1,105 labs across the country. Covishield was approved vaccine by the Drug Controller General of India, DCGI, at the initial stage, and an interim use of a domestic vaccine Covaxin was also delivered. Online registration for vaccination was started via Arogya Setu app and CoWIN website. Russia's Sputnik V vaccine was approved by the Drug Controller General of India, DCGI, for emergency use in India. During the third phase, more flexibility was granted to the individual stakeholders on their willingness to conduct vaccination program. The world's first DNA-based COVID-19 vaccine, ZY-CoV-D, was approved for emergency use in India for adults and children of 12 years and above. Himachal Pradesh was the first state to administer first dose of vaccine 100% of its population. Residential committees played a crucial role to control the spread of COVID-19 in China. This model, along with strict norms and inspection, is the key to China's effective control over coronavirus. New Zealand have been successful to eliminate the virus by implementing proper risk assessment, effective border control measures. Japan's cluster-based approach with effective implementation of contact tracing, proper sorting of patients, and vaccination campaign brought infections down. Russia being the first country to register COVID-19 vaccine, yet it lost momentum in its vaccination campaign. Shortage of vaccination supplies, vaccine hesitancy, and high infection rates are reasons behind Russia's low vaccination rate. Studies established that greater protection from coronavirus can be received when vaccinated with 2 doses. Government data shows approximately 11 crore have not got themselves vaccinated in the stipulated time gap, even though it expired. People are reluctant for second dose as they believe COVID-19 infections come down and fear of body ache or fever after the first vaccine dose. The central government, along with the state government, should make them aware and understand via media campaigns and appropriate advisories. The Government of India announced complete lockdown on 24th March 2020. As per data, India was the second highest country with confirmed COVID-19 cases after the US. The GDP contracted 24%, which was followed by 7.4% contraction in the next quarter. For the vaccine procurement, rupees 35,000 crore was allocated in the budget, which was considered to cover half of the population. The first quarter of the year 2021 to 2022 was affected by the second wave, observed political, religious and social gathering. Longer and stricter lockdowns were observed in the rural parts of the country. Some experts are of the opinion that with improved health infrastructure, rapid vaccination rollout, the Indian economy will be able to perform better. Experts are of the opinion there are possibilities of long-term investments by the investors globally after post-pandemic. Analyzing the potential risk of global growth slowdown, the Reserve Bank of India has cut down interest rates and injected liquidity to boost up the economy. The 100 crore vaccination is India a journey which needs stringent policies and especially fulfilling the second dose. There is a need to analyze and identify the areas having low vaccination rates and ensure they too have high rates of coverage of vaccination drive. Citizens must understand the importance of vaccines to curb the spread of the pandemic. Download material for this issue from our website. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.